Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video and another problem on double lines. This one had me stumped, and I even emailed him and said I can't find anything wrong with it. Because you click on the item or select on the item and it says curve on one layer. And you move it out of the way and there's nothing there. I even tried my yellow box trick, put a yellow box in and put it in the background and there's nothing there. You could even try moving it out of the way, if I can grab it, and then selecting this area, and there's nothing there. But I emailed him and told him I couldn't find a problem, and then I just happened to think it looks a little dark red for a hairline from a distance. So I clicked on it, go up to arrange, and break curve apart. Now there are two objects on one layer, so just hit delete. Well, you need to delete one of the layers and the other layer is there. Now, after years of looking at that, look at the difference in the reds. This is a hairline and this is a double hairline stacked on top of each other. So all you need to do is just break them all apart, and you could do that all at one time. Just select them all, go up to arrange. Well, I guess you can't. I guess you have to do them one at a time. Arrange, break curve apart. And you don't have to go to arrange. You can go Control K and it will do the same thing, and then just click on that one and move them up out of the way. You'll have to do that on each one, or the next time you draw, just start over. And I did take your text out so it wouldn't interfere with the video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.